Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. As promised, I came back to share with you guys the project that I said I was working on, the little hexagon purse project from the tutorial that I got from Tamika at Scrap the World. This is how my little purse gift box came out, and I think it's so cute. And I did use the Petals and Bloom paper, and I did get that idea from Tamika as well, because I knew I had a lot of this paper left, but sometimes you put your paper away and you forget about it. Well, when she brought it out for that tutorial, I thought that that would be perfect. So thank you, Tamika, for the idea. I'm going to use up this paper. I actually also bought, back when this paper was first came out, I actually bought like matching gift bags and treat bags for this paper, and I forgot all about it. I did a couple of mini albums with this paper, and it's the Petals and Bloom paper from Hobby Lobby. So I have this one, and I also have a 6x6 paper pad like that. I've used, I would say 60 sheets came in this pack. I've used about half of this, so I still have a lot of paper left from this. So I'm glad that she brought that out in her tutorial. And then also I share with y'all in my previous video the black cardstock that I got on clearance at Walmart. That's what I use as the base for this. But it's really cute. I use Velcro as my little attachment for my closure. I matted it with the paper. The inside is just plain, and I plan on using this for a little birthday gift box for one of my coworkers. I'm going to fill it up with some candy for her. Um, the bottom I thought was really cute. I use these little animal print gems that I had in my stash from a scrapbooking expo that I went to years ago. I have like little bags of these gems, and I haven't used these gems so like this. So this is my first time using these in a long time. So I'm glad this project prompted me to pull those out, because I remembered I had these gems based off of this paper actually. So yeah, just a really cute idea. You can put small gifts in here. You can fill it up with candy. Um, it's a great way to um, gift a person. So my daughter's birthday is also next week, actually on the same day as my coworker. So my daughter will be getting one of these as well. I probably shouldn't have said that because I'm sure she is going to see this video, um, and she'll know. But Nala, you're gonna get one of these, and but you're not gonna know what I'm gonna put in there for you. So anyways, I just thought this was so cute. I think she'll love it. I will probably decorate it a little different. This is the one that I made for my coworker. So I'll probably add a birthday sentiment. I'm going to make a matching card to go along with this. And I was thinking about putting her initial, using some of my thickers maybe, and putting her initial somewhere. I could actually add some decoration to the back, but I just didn't want to take away from it. I think it's really cute just like this. Maybe I can decorate the handle. I know if you go and watch Tamika's video, she is the bomb with presentations. So she really knows how to decorate her pieces, and I just love her channel. She gives really good, easy to follow tutorials. I just love her channel. And also this little gift box, little purse. You don't have to have dies for this one. And I did cheat just a little bit. I used my Cricut to cut out the hexagons, and I just cut out two though. I cut out two for my my templates, one for the mat, and then one for the base of my purse. And I did that because when I was following the tutorial, I didn't get my hexagon straight. When she was teaching the tutorial, I didn't get mine straight, and for some reason I just couldn't get it straight. So, and I couldn't get all my lines like even, so I just went ahead and decided to cut mine out with my Cricut, which is another option she gave on her tutorial. So this, guys, is just a cute one. She have different tutorials on different little paper purses or these little boxes, and they're just so cute. Yeah, and it was a super easy tutorial to follow. So please go over to her channel if you haven't. I'm sure y'all probably heard of her by now, but if you haven't, go check out her channel. She has a tutorial on how to make this and others. She has awesome tutorials, and I'm going to leave the link to this tutorial on her channel in the description box below, so you guys can go and take a look at that and follow that, because that's what I did. And she also used this Petals and Bloom paper during her tutorial, so that gave me the idea to pull mine out. She decorated her box differently, but yeah, so I even added one of those little gems right here, the button to open. So yeah, so anyway, I just wanted to come back and share that with you guys. A really quick and easy little gift box. And this is a kind of gift box that people probably wouldn't just throw away. You might find it on somebody's shelf holding something. Anyways, that is it. I just like it so much. It's so cute. Thank you again, Tamika, and thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, please click the link below to subscribe to my channel, and comment below if you've tried this. Go follow and watch Tamika's tutorial, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.